How to go live on Twitch. After logging in your Twitch account, click on your account icon on the top right corner. Then, go to Settings. Next, click on Channels and Videos. Now, on the left, select Stream. After that, you have to copy this stream key to your streaming software. In my case, it's OBS Studio. To paste your stream key on OBS with OBS Studio open, click on Settings. Next, choose Stream. After, paste the stream key on the stream key field. Warning: do not share your stream key to anyone, okay? Then, hit OK. After all that, go to your Twitch page and select Stream Manager. Next, with the Stream Manager all set, go to your OBS Studio and hit the Start Streaming button. And now, hit the subscribe button of this channel for more tutorials. Thanks!